guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few hidden gestures and settings that you must use on the iPhone. So starting off, many people don't know, but there is a quicker way to send screenshots. Simply take a screenshot and press and hold on this preview. As you can see, the sharing options automatically appear for you, so you can choose if you want to send it through AirDrop, send it through iMessage to a friend, send an email. So you can simply choose the option that you'd like. I'm gonna send it to myself through AirDrop. I'm gonna receive it on my MacBook Pro, and that's it. So this is a lot faster than pressing on the screenshot and then pressing on this icon right here to send and then send it to someone. And now if you're adding an event to your calendar, you can press and hold to create this event. Add a title, so I'm gonna type test. And here, when you can choose the start time and end time of your event, we usually only have the options to choose between 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15. It's increments of 5. But if you double tap this option right here, you have the option to choose the exact minute of your event. So simply double tap and you can switch between 5-minute increments or 1 minute at a time. Now, if you go to settings, accessibility, go all the way down into subtitles and captioning, you can press on style and you can style your subtitles to the way that you prefer. So you can choose transparent background, large text, classic, outline text, or you can press on create new style and create your own subtitles. So you can press on font and choose the font that you prefer. You can go back and change the size, medium, large, extra large, small. You can go back and choose a different color. So there are a lot of options to choose from, and you can basically create your own subtitles. And going back to the accessibility option, you can press on Face ID and Attention and enable this option right here, haptic on successful authentication. I previously enabled this, so what this does is that every time that you unlock your device, your iPhone is going to play a haptic, so it's going to vibrate. And instead of just checking and seeing that the lock is unlocking, your phone will also vibrate. So I feel like this is a good option to enable on the settings. And now I'm gonna open the notes because I'm gonna give you a great gesture for the keyboard that it's really going to make your life easier. So let's say you are typing hello and you want to add an exclamation mark. Usually you're going to press on 1, 2, 3 and then press on the exclamation mark and then hit space, right? But there's an easy way to do this. You can simply press on this button right here and drag your finger to the exclamation mark that the keyboard automatically goes back to the default one. So let's do it again. I'm gonna type hello and then press, drag, and that's it. And now let's say you're someone that has a lot of different pages on your iPhone. You have a lot of apps and you have tons of pages that you scroll usually. If you are on the last one, you usually have to do this and go back to your home screen. But there is an easier way to do this. You can simply swipe up and go back to the home screen. And now if you want to check your search history on Safari, let's go to Safari. And then I'm gonna open the Apple website. Let's go to the Apple website. I can learn more about the iPhone SE. I can press on buy. And then I can scroll down and let's choose the white option. But no, I want to actually check the Apple Watch. Then I want to check the Hermes one. But now I want to go all the way back and go to the first page. I want to go to the Apple's website homepage. Instead of clicking, pressing right here and going all the way back, you can simply press and hold, and then you're gonna have your whole history right here. And then it's another really easy way to do it because you can simply press and go back to the first one. And if you want, you can close specific tabs on Safari. So simply press on this icon right here, go all the way down and search for the tab that you would like to close. So for example, if I want to close all the tabs that have the word Apple on it, so all the tabs from Apple's website, I can simply type Apple, that only the tabs that have Apple are going to show up for me. This is also a good way to look for tabs that you cannot find. So if you have a lot of tabs open, it is an easier way for you to do this. But to close only the specific tabs that you want, you simply have to choose the tabs that you would like to close and press and hold on cancel. And then you simply press on close tab matching Apple. And that's it. So these were a few gestures that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know down below in the description what you think about the video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.